They're stocking up in Illinois. Extra socks, space heaters and food supplies are on the list of must-haves in preparation for the coldest weather in the US for 20 years. The Midwest is covered in a blanket of snow and ice. There's chaos on the roads and thousands of flights have been cancelled. The snowplows are out gritting the streets, but things are about to get a whole lot worse. A polar vortex, which is a counter-clockwise rotating pool of cold, dense air, will envelop more than half of the continental United States until Tuesday, bringing bitter cold Arctic winds and the lowest temperatures on record.
It is important to keep in mind, with the frigid temperatures, blowing winds, snow accumulation, that everyday activities may not be feasible. Throughout the next few days, temperatures will fall to the low around -13.
That's minus 25 degrees Celsius, and when you factor in the wind chill, it could be as low as minus 39. But that's nothing. It's forecast to be minus 31 degrees Celsius in North Dakota and minus 35 in Minnesota. Add in the wind chill, and some of these places could bottom out at minus 50 degrees Celsius. Medical experts are warning that frostbite and hypothermia can set in at minus 26, and fears are growing for the very old and the very young, who are the most vulnerable. Wendy Urquhart, BBC News.